Hi friends, welcome back to the channel again. Today we will talk about the Schengen visa procedure, and today I have received my Schengen visa successfully. So before unboxing this visa, we will talk about the little bit VFS Global. What is the VFS Global? VFS full form is Visa Facilitation Services. It's working with the embassies. If you are applying for the Schengen visa, you have to go through the VFS Global. Then you have to submit the all document in your VFS center. And your VSF center, they will forward your all documents for the visa. They will forward to the embassy. Then the embassy will send back to the VFS Global. Then they will courier to your home. So first of all, we will unboxing our visa. We have to check our visa is done or not. And then after we will talk about the documentation, which kind of document you have to submit to the VFS center. This is our passport and this is our Indian CDC. All both document we have to submit to the embassy. So first of all, we have to check our visa. So finally friends, you can see my new Italian visa. It's valid from 4th of March 2023. So this kind of Schengen visa you will get instantly from the VFS Global. So I'm very happy because my visa is successfully I received, so I have to join as soon as possible. And now we will talk about the documents. So if you are applying for Italy, Spain or any Schengen countries, so you have to take your all documents along with you, your original document. First of all, you have to take around 10,000 rupees in cash because you have to deposit advance amount in the cash, all amount in cash. And you have to take your original passport with you and your Indian CDC with you. So these two documents is most important for visa center. Then after your STCW courses, your original STCW courses, endorsed and one of copy, your medical certificate Xerox copy, your Aadhaar card, and your 4 passport size photo with 70% face covering with current camera, and your insurance policy, travel insurance policy starting from your traveling date to 14 days. These basic document you need to required for the submit any visa application center. Now we will talk about the supporting documents. These documents you have to submit to the VFS center and they will forward to the embassy. So first of all, you have to take a printout of your appointment email, your contract letter and your covering letter, your port of agent LOE, your flight ticket and your visa application form. These all form the company will send to you and you have to take the printout and you have to submit to the visa application center along with your original passport and your original CDC. In VFS Center Delhi, they will offer you the two services, one of the normal services, one of the premium services. If you choose the normal services, then you have to go through the normal procedure and you have to go the every counter step by step. Then you submit your visa application. And one of the premium services, if you choose the premium services, then you have to pay 2,300 extra amount. Then you will get the all counter in one room. So you will submit your visa application form instantly. After make the payment, you have to take the payment received with you always. And the VFS Global Center, they will send your all application, your supporting document to the Italy Embassy. Then Italy Embassy check your all documents, cross check with the company and they will forward to the VFS Global. And the VFS Global, they will receive your visa and they will start your courier procedure with the courier partner. So after the all our procedure, you will get your passport through the Blue Dart services. This is the private courier services which will provide best courier services for the visa or passport services. Once you submit your visa application at VFS Center, that time you will get the notification from the VFS Global. So you will notify your visa status and you can check with your reference number your visa procedure and your visa status. The VFS Global services is very good. My experience was very good. I have received my visa just in 5 days from the Italy Embassy, so it's very nice for me. So now everything is done. So my all paperwork is done. My visa has been received successfully. So now we are ready to fly in Italy. So see you soon in Italy. Take care.